Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Cortex Academy, and in this video I'm going to be showing how you can make use of your knowledge bases files in the best possible way. So there are two ways to search for things. You can either make a knowledge base wide search or a file specific search. So each has their quirks. So let me first show you how I structured my one of my knowledge bases. In this marketing docs, I basically have some sort of content pieces coming from Google Drive. One manual file upload is a market report. Um, and as you can see, I basically connected my uh, Google account here. And if you want to add more files, you can always add more like this by editing your current integration or adding some other integrations. If you want to keep everything synchronously, we currently only support daily synchronization. You can also turn this on so that it will basically adapt to any kind of changes happened in your Google Drive folder structure or in the content of certain files. We can adapt to that changes and update your files accordingly. Anywho, let's move on to a knowledge-based search. So when you have your knowledge base, let's look for marketing docs. When you select this, it will look for similarities between your instruction and the relevant pieces of information across your documents. So if you say, what kind of content do we have around enterprises? It will basically include multiple files into the search query, as you can see in that in these steps. After creating some search phrases for itself, it will access multiple content pieces that we have. As you can see, some of them already published, some of them not, and it will basically give you an overview of these with regards to the content of these files. So this is one way of doing this. Another way, you can, let's say, again, you click on knowledge, you go to files, and let's say we only want to add one file into the context. So this is what we call a focused search. So if you say, so this market report is about generative AI in enterprises and what's the market, how much the market is going to expand. So let's ask this question. How much is the generative AI market going to expand? And then I only have this file, this particular file in the context, and it basically gives me the exact information coming from this file. And it could also be a very large file. And if, like, as we already narrow down the scope, it will have more information about this document in particular, if it's very useful, if it's a very long context. But in this case, when you, for example, hit this reference, you will also see where this information is coming from. As you can see, it mostly comes from the second page here. That's why it just took me to the second page and highlight this information for me.